Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you why your Amazon Alexa may have stopped working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, the most common reason is Wi-Fi problems. Scroll down from the top right corner of your screen. Alexa needs the internet to work. If your Wi-Fi is slow, disconnect or change. Alexa will stop responding. To check this, take your iPhone and see if Wi-Fi is working properly. If your phone has no internet, Alexa will also not work. Second, Alexa may have lost power. Check if the Alexa device is plugged in properly. If there is no light, unplug it with 10 seconds and plug it back in. The microphone might be turned off. If you see a red light on Alexa, it means the microphone is mute. Press the microphone button once you turn it back on. Another reason could be a problem with the Alexa app. Open the Alexa app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Sometimes logging out and logging back in helps. Alexa can also stop working if it needs a restart. Simply unplug the device with 30 seconds and plug it back in. And that's it. Now you know why Amazon Alexa may have stopped working and how to understand the problem. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.